Welcome, champion of code and data. In this lecture, we are going to unlock the core secret behind artificial intelligence, the machine learning. What is, why it matters, and why and how it powers everything from YouTube to self-driving car. Let's start by our learning agenda. From very beginning by end of this lecture, here what you gonna master. First, the true meaning of machine learning. Second, how machine learning differ from traditional programming. Third, where machine learning fit in the AI hierarchy. Then we're gonna understand the three main type of machine learning you must know. After that, you're gonna understand the machine learning life cycle from raw data to real world prediction, and of course, real practical use cases in the lecture. Let's start by very beginning. What's exactly machine learning? First, it's gonna be by this official definition from all over the world. Machine learning gonna enable machines to learn pattern from data instead of being manually coded. Not only that, machine learning it's a subset of AI. So AI it's like the broad idea or definition, and machine learning it's basically a subset of it. And we have very amazing definition by Mr. Arthur Samuel back to 1959. At that time, he defined machine learning by it's a field of study that gives computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Okay, but I want to understand more. I'm gonna give it to you in 3 steps. Right now, the first step in your world of machine learning, you're gonna work with huge number of data. And second step, your machine learning algorithm gonna work and somehow to find the pattern inside or between or to predict anything. But by end of day, there should be a pattern. And after that, the last stage, you're gonna make intelligent decision based on this pattern. Let's have here an example. Imagine you have collection of emails coming to your inbox, and here Google have a Gmail machine learning algorithm, and Gmail use that machine learning algorithm to identify the pattern whatever this email is spam or ham. Ham means important. So depending on that, Gmail gonna decide to throw this email inside trash or inside your inbox. Let's have another example. Imagine you went after this course to develop a .NET application to process huge number of images, and your goal that you're gonna use machine learning to identify all of those images, depend on colors, shapes, etc. And by end of day, your goal to identify if this image for a man or for a lady. That's the world of machine learning, and we have tons of examples. But let's jump directly to the official comparison that you should understand, the compare between traditional programming and machine learning. First, let's start with traditional programming. You write the logic, you write the rules by yourself. Every condition, every calculation, it's all hard-coded by the developer. And that's exactly what we are doing for a decade. But in machine learning world, you don't write rules. You feed the system with data and learn the logic on its own. It's like here, you're gonna provide the input and then the rules, and you're gonna expect the output. But on the other side, machine learning, you provide the input and the output, and the computer gonna learn the rules by itself. So traditional programming, it depends on the human writing each and every logic explicitly. But in machine learning logic from data. In traditional development work, you are a rule writer. In machine learning, you are a data creator. You are a model trainer. Your job is not to tell the machine what to do. It's gonna show it enough example that it's gonna figure it out itself. So that's basically gonna turn a developer into AI world. You go from coding rules from the left to engineering the intelligence to the right, to the machine learning. Traditional systems are frozen. You want to handle a new case by yourself, so doesn't adapt if data change. But machine learning continuously adapt with new data. So for example, you want to handle a new case. You're gonna go and write a new logic, deploy it again, and test it again, and pray again. But in machine learning model, you just feed it fresh data, and it's gonna adapt by itself. No need to reprogram. It's gonna learn and gonna evolve continuously. This is the world, or this is why machine learning thrived fast-moving environment in the world of e-commerce, finance, healthcare, real-time analytic. And the fourth one here, that traditional programming gonna be very good for fixed logic task like calculator. So traditional programming like billing software, tax system, anything that follow a strict rule book, definitely go with traditional programming. On the other side, machine learning gonna be amazing for spam filter, face recognition, credit scoring, voice assistant, and fraud detection. Tasks where rules are either too complex or change frequently or aren't even known. This slide might look simple, but the shift from hand coding logic to building learning system, it's what separates classic developer from modern AI engineer. And if you are still writing rule-based system for problems that should be learned, you are solving 2025 problem with 1995 thinking. Think about it.